So one of the other questions I get regularly is, what is spectrum? What does that actually mean? Why is it important? And what does full spectrum mean? So a spectrum is nothing more than the amount of light at various colors, or you could also say at various wavelengths. So the visible light is between 400 nanometers, which is like purple light, all the way up to about 700 nanometers, which is deep red light. And anything in between is basically the spectrum for visible light. Our eyes are most sensitive to light right in the middle of that. That's the green and the yellow, which is at about 550 nanometers, which is the wavelength of the light. And the definition of full spectrum is really nothing more than the white light looks like a white light. And although there's a misconception of that what you want is a lot of blue light for plant growth, what you really want is light with a lot of red in it, because that's really what makes plants grow. So if you were looking at it that way, you would call it about a 3000 Kelvin light. And I think you'll find that you get phenomenal plant growth. And in fact, you'll produce up to 2.5 times more plant mass for the amount of energy you put into the light if you get the spectrum just right.